shopping.
We're going shopping.
Today. See you later, guys.
The Filipino store here. One of the Filipino store. And there's red ribbon, there's Jollibee, and there also
Valerio.
there's a Valerios and Chowking. So we are going to tour you in there. Alright, let's go.
You got your map?
Let's go. Ito yung vegetables and fruit section. Yan. Ito yung amplaya nila. Watermelon. Ang lalaki. Purple cabbage.
She's thinking about what she wants to get.
I said it's so expensive. Banana leaves and half. $1.99 a pound. Spicy. Sardinas. Hot noodles, very spicy. Pampano.
Get it cleaned
Yeah?
or weighed anyways. Yeah.
Because you have to get this clean and weigh it. Try over there. You think it's a pound? You think it's a pound? A shrimp.
We decided not to get the shrimp here. We're going to get it over at 99 store. 99 ranch. Tilapia.
You gonna eat this?
I don't know. What is it?
Tilapia.
I know.
Why you ask?
How are you going to cook it?
Fry.
Fried. Okay.
Maybe fry?
Sure. We'll try it. Octopus. Jumbo squid.
It's a giant crab leg. King crab leg. And lobsters. Seaweeds. Clams over there. Pupunta na ako. Baka pakyawin na nila. Hindi na ako matirahan.
And she meets an old friend. What?
My friend Lomin.
Yeah.
Did you?
Hi. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Was together in an MPM.
Yeah.
So where are you going to work?
The City Grill. The Grill City. At Filipino foods. Right here in Seafood City. You wrote it down where?
Here.
Oh, on the Eden?
Cheese.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here. Oh no, I won't. Bye. Nice to meet you.
Bye-bye. Pata ng baboy. Kasi sabi ng kaibigan, kasi kumuha ng kaibigan ko nung pata ng baboy eh. Parang gusto ko yung magluto. So ito.
There she is, waiting in line to check out. All done. It's shocking. Our cart is usually a lot fuller than this. But that's hardly anything in there.
No, this is the first stop.
Oh, this is the first
There's
stop.
two more.
Oh, two more stops. Okay.
PUTO.
PUTO?
Yeah, but my PUTO is, I already tested this one and my PUTO is a lot better. Than this.
It is much better.
Promise.
Yeah, we tried that.
Because you purchased 74, I think, your total? 74? 64? Yeah, $60. Oh, $60. So, oh, that's good. $60 we got water. Free water. 1 pack of water. That's good. Punta tayo sa isang store doon. Tingnan mo, radish. Ito yung radish nila. Sayang. Malalaki. Broccoli.
What'd you get? Pork belly?
Fresh pork belly? Fresh. Na fresh? So guys, dito kami bumibili ng meat. Kasi ang daming choices, ang daming mapagpipilian, saka mas cheaper siya. Kaya nakabili ako ng pork belly, frozen. Wala silang fresh. So ito na lang.
That's fish? Salted?
This good with salted fish.
Ito yung maliliit na bulinaw. This is good. Do it for me too.
Get the jumbo shrimp.
Guys, we're done shopping for now. And we're going home. We're starving. We're hungry.
And the daughter is stranded.
And our daughter is stranded outside because she didn't have a key to get in. So we have to go. We're gonna eat in Jollibee, but probably next time because I don't want her to wait for so long. I can't wait to cook pinakbit and other stuff that we got. The shrimp, so I'm going to make also sinigang na hipon. Alright, see you then. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.